In the previous video, I showed you how to install and configure the Cloud Backup Agent Drive client for my CentOS 6.4 cloud server. Now that that agent is installed and running and communicating with the cloud backup system, I want to go ahead and configure a backup job for my server, web.example.com. And the one thing that I want to back up on the server is a website that I currently have running on it that simply says this site needs to be backed up. So let's go ahead and configure that job. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the name of the server, web.example.com. This takes me to the Cloud Backup Agent screen, and if I scroll down here, I see that there are no backups currently configured for the server, and there's been no activity for it either. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Backup. The first thing I need to do is give this backup a name, and I'm going to go ahead and just call it Website. For scheduling, I'm going to go ahead and have it backed up manually, and I only want my backups to be held for 30 days, and these backups are held within cloud files. For notifications, I do want to be notified. And I want to be notified when it gets backed up successfully. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next Step. Now here is where the file system comes into play for this particular cloud backup solution. I can go be very specific as far as what directories, folders, or files I want backed up. So in this case, I only want my website backed up, which is stored at /var/www/html. So I'm going to scroll down here and click on var. I'm going to scroll down further and click on www. Then I'm going to click on HTML. And inside this file, or rather inside this directory, I have my index.html file. This is what I want backed up and only that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next Step. And this gives me a summary of what I have configured for this backup job. And that looks correct to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Okay, so the backup status now shows as configured. I want to go ahead and run this job manually right now, so I'm going to click on Actions. I'm going to click on Perform Backup. Because I'm only backing up a small file, this should actually go pretty quickly. And as I thought, that actually backed up pretty quickly. So for this video, we went ahead and configured the backup job for my website, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to restore from that backup.